Today, we are diving into something huge. The brand new browser by OpenAI called ChatGPT Atlas is launched now. If you use the web, you must see this, as this is not just another browser. It's a rethinking of how AI and browsing merge. What if your browser knew what you were working on, could assist you in place, and even take tasks off your plate? Stick around, we will explore what makes Atlas special. So, enough of much talking and let's go. So, what is Atlas? According to OpenAI, it's a web browser, not just embedding the chatbot into a normal browser, but re architecting how you browse. Let me show you. So, open the browser and write chatgpt.com/atlas and you will land on this page, right? And ChatGPT Atlas, it's being launched for Mac OS users as of now. But for Windows, iOS and Android, it will be launching soon. If I scroll down, asking something from ChatGPT, so it will always open the new tab for all of the topics. And opens a ChatGPT sidebar in any window to summarize content, compare products, or maybe analyze data from the site you are viewing. Even if you are browsing on some topic and you left out, and then when you come back after 2 or 3 days and you ask for the topic again, so it will give you the same topic where you left off. So this is one of the feature that ChatGPT remembers. So it can bring you the relevant details whenever you need them. Even if you are planning for some holidays or maybe some beach essentials, so it will help you from scratch till the end what all essentials, and even it can buy you the tickets also. It can plan everything for you what you need and then do browsing on the shopping website, and even it interacts with the sites for you always under your control. So by default the control settings will be off. So this is the enhanced feature that Atlas browser offers you. You can control the settings by all yourself. Although ChatGPT comes with standard controls, but this comes with the enhanced one. So you can choose how much information you want Atlas to memorize. And this is available for preview for Plus, Pro and business accounts. And it assists you when and where you need it. For example, if you are drafting an email and you write it down and you want to enhance your email, so there will be the icon that shows like this. Just click on and write enhance my email in the format like calendar invites or maybe the docs, or so you can just write and in one click it will be all done for you. Like here it shows make the sound more professional. Even if your connection to a ChatGPT not allowed or allowed the contents of this website, you can control or give access, choose how much control you want to give to Atlas. There are more features. You can do smart searches, or even it's used for business purposes like for engineering, finance, education, and you can learn also. This is for students and even the image creation and for college student, and it give you a desktop app as well. And you can choose what mode you want to use, study mode. If you open this link openai.com, so in the sidebar you can see it gives you the ChatGPT options also. When you click on it, so face will open and now you can start with the ChatGPT, and if you want to go back then you can remain on Atlas feature. So for developers also, whether it's about building app or maybe AI API platforms or the agents or the API pricing, you can do front-end coding examples all in one platform for agents. Build, deploy and optimize. Apart from the features that I just show you regarding the Atlas, these are the more new features that Atlas browser offers. If you are on Mac and love browsing, then definitely you should go ahead and try this browser as it offers a lot of features. I hope you learned something new about ChatGPT Atlas. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done already. Drop a comment. Will you switch to Atlas? What's the one feature that you're most excited about? Until next time, I'm Vishakha. Happy browsing.